If you're new here, my name is Maddie and welcome to my channel. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it would mean the world to me. So today, in honor of the new year starting, oh my god, in honor of the new year starting, literally in 4 days, I thought I would do a glam New Year's Eve makeup look for going out, doing whatever you have planned, even if you're just staying at home watching Netflix. Like, honestly, glam up. Embrace going into the new year like a glam god. That is the tea. I'm really gonna try in the new year to definitely be posting more. I want to post 2 times a week, so Wednesdays and Fridays, but if I do have any extra footage or I end up vlogging a day, an extra day, then I'm probably gonna put it as like a bonus clip. And let's just jump into the video. Whoosh. That is a little loud. Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. This is all the primer I have left going into the new year, so we're off to a speedy start, if I'm being completely honest. I don't even know. So how was your guys' holiday? What did you do? This is so annoying. What did you do? Did you do anything fun? Did you go skiing if you're from Canada? Did you go skiing? Or skating? Come on. I'm gonna go in with our Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade, oh my god, I don't even know, light beige. That's tragic. It's not the right shade for me at all, but I don't have enough money to go buy a foundation that actually matches my skin color. So we're gonna take 2 pumps of that. Oh my god, oh, it's dripping. So we're just gonna, you know, rub it in because I would love to use a beauty blender, but once I get this on, I'll show you my beauty blender situation. And beauty blenders are expensive, and you know what? I ain't got time for beauty blenders, even though I love them to death. I can't. I literally can't. This is my beauty blender. I know. It is probably the grossest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. But you know what? Same. Me. Grossest thing ever. We're gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This looks probably gonna look nasty as hell on camera, but you know what? I'm nasty, so it's fine. As you can also see, I am running very low on it, and once again, I am broke, and I can't afford to replenish any makeup. So you know what, if you're a student and you can relate to this on any level, please leave a comment below. I'm just being too broke to live. That's the tea. How come in every video I burp? That's the real question.
Alrighty. Woo!
We're gonna take the Marcel face powder. Yeah, and we're gonna take my Ratchet Beauty Blender. Just gonna tap. And we're gonna just put that under my eyes very aggressively. Because you know what? I crease under my eyes very badly. And I also get super oily here and here, pretty much everywhere. But you know what? I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Kabuki brush. It literally feels like a teddy bear, so it's probably because it's made out of teddy bear fur, which also sounds kind of traumatic on some level. But we're just gonna go in with this CoverGirl Clean Matte pressed powder. Just gonna sweep off that under eye baking. I'm trying to be like James Charles. Okay, sis? That's all I want to do in my life is be like James Charles. Oh my god, we're gonna go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Ooh! Ha! Oh my god, that's so bad. Okay, we're gonna go in with all of these kind of fell out of order, so I don't know if they're in order. But we're gonna take 2 of like the really kind of like darker shades because I like to really I don't know what I like to do. I just like to really get in there, really define those cheekbones. You know what? Going into the new year with a nice contour is everything. Oh my god, that might have been a little bit much. Oh my god, this probably looks really bad, but story of my life. 2 days and I dropped it in my boyfriend's bathroom and it shattered everywhere, and along with it shattering everywhere, so did my dreams. So that's the tea. I'm then gonna go in with my Too Faced Sweet Pea Glow palette. So for this New Year's look, we are gonna try and keep it a little bit more like shimmery and like party, so when those like lights hit you, you're like popping. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, just gonna run over it, gonna give it a little bit more of a glow. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of blush, again from the Sweet Peach Glow palette. Just gonna literally just do like a little bit. Just gonna hit those cheekbones a little bit, you know, just gonna smile because 2018 was trash. A lot of stuff going on in 2018. And you know what, I'm really just ready to move on, really to bounce back, you know? Yeah, that's the goal in life. We're just gonna really hit pan on that highlighter because she's looking good. And you know what, when I hit pan on something, it's the proudest day of my life. Like, you know, when I graduated high school, that's probably like a big moment for my mom. You know what a big moment for me is? Hitting pan. I don't know if anyone can relate, but it's kind of everything. Then I'm just gonna go in with like a little eyeshadow brush because I'm ratchet, and I'm just gonna dab it in the bronzer shade. I'm just gonna give my lip a little bit more definition because my lip is ratchet. A little bit of nose contour. Once I can find the correct blush. Oh, nope, this one. I use that for highlighter. Oh my god, I can't find it. Frick, whatever. We're gonna just use this little brush from Shoppers. I know everyone is quaking at this. Content. Then we're gonna go in with this Wet n Wild, the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. You know what, I'm just gonna take this blender brush because I don't have a highlighting brush. I'm just gonna swoop it in there, swoop, swoop, swoop. And I'm just gonna put it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Make me glow in 2019. Glowing up a little bit above the brows. Just a little bit on your nose. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So for the brows, I use the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. It is some good stuff. And I use it for my brows because I don't have a brow product that I really, really love at the moment. And I also can't afford to get any new brow products. Oh my god, I'm gonna mess this up. The way I like to do my brows is I like to go in with the darker shade, which is Sexpresso. And I'm just going to start at the top. I don't really like a dramatic brow because I'm lazy half of the time. So I'm just gonna go. I want to go into 2019 with some banging brows to beach. So, you know what? Really like work on them, spend the time and consideration on your brows because they're everything. I'm gonna set my eyebrows with this really old Too Faced brow gel because I never throw makeup out, which is probably super bad for my skin. You know what? You gotta start somewhere, and you know what? We're starting right here, people. But we're gonna go in with my favorite palette of all time, which is the Tarteist Pro palette. I don't want to show you like my ratchet camera setup, but like it's so pretty, and I am obsessed. So we're just gonna take a flathead brush. Flathead. I really hope this camera like focuses on this, but probably not. I'm gonna go in with the color Classic. I'm just gonna pat that on my brush. And we're just gonna lay this on the base of the eye. So I don't wanna go all the way up to under your brow and just kind of cover it, but try not to cover the highlight. And bring it down into that inner corner just so it lines up when you put like a highlight shade on it, it really makes your eyes pop. I'm gonna go in with this another Shoppers Drug Mart brush. I use it for blending. Okay, so we're gonna go in the color Indie. I'm just gonna tap, tap, tap. And we're just gonna blend it in on my crease. Bring it in the new year with this eye look. We're gonna go in with the color Bold. And we're just gonna build in that crease. We're gonna go in with the color Edgy. Hold on! I need to add more. I need to stop being pretty. I just need to add it in there. I'm living for this. Okay, so we're back after that small intermission. We're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna do a half crease. Half cut. I'm scared. Great, so for my crease, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Trio stick, and I'm gonna use the shade Linen. I'm gonna try and cut it in a way. Oh my god, this is a disaster. This is a nap. I can't complain, it looks good. We're gonna go in with Ethereal, which is this coppery shade, and we're gonna start that on the outside. And as we move into the middle, we're gonna lighten it up, and we're gonna go into Glam, and then we're gonna go back into the highlight shade I used for my cheeks to make the inner corners pop. So we're just gonna go in with the finger. Oh my god, I forgot how thick these metallic shades were. I'm gonna like kind of use that leftover coppery shade and blend the two together. So now it's blended, we're just gonna take a little bit of Bold, and we're just gonna bring it under my eye. We're going to do my mascara. I'm gonna use my OG CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom. And comment down below if you remember when Katy Perry was like the ambassador for this, because those were the days. ASMR. Okay, then just gonna get the lower lashes to add a little bit more dimension to my eye. To complete this look, we're gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner Lip Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dolce. Damn! Alright, you guys, and this is the final look for New Year's Eve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And oh my god, alright guys, so this completes the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and follow my Instagram and Snapchat, my Twitter. Everything will be down below. Definitely follow me on Instagram for just life updates and kind of everything I do. Photo shoot pictures. It's all there. I hope you guys have an awesome New Year's Eve and happy holidays.
Say,